Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish products on the website in Odoo. So publishing products in Odoo makes it visible in your online shop so customers can browse and purchase it. So actually guys, first you will need to open your products, and to do that you will need to go with the websites first here, and then just go with the e-commerce, the option that's located between the site and reporting, okay, at the top, and then just scroll or navigate to the products here, okay. So click it and then go with the product that you want to publish. So you will find your products listed right here, okay, just like that, for example. And as I told you, click it and then check the product information. So before publishing, make sure the product has the name, price, product image, description, and correct category, and the products without details look and finished to customers, right? And then just enable the published. So inside the products page you can find an option. It says publish or unpublish, okay. So click the toggle or the button to switch it to published, and once enabled the product becomes visible on your website shop immediately. And then you will need to verify the website's visibility. So you will need just to go back from the website, the top left here, and click on websites right here. And now you will need to check the products page layout, the images, the pricing, and add to cart button, that one, okay, and the mobile appearance, okay, so this one, right? And then just add the product to the shop category. So to help customers to find it, you will need to assign categories like clothing, electronics, accessories, and this improves the navigation and filtering and even the search results. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.